that is illegal.
Comment po doon sa sinabi ni PCB Castro na walang kidnapping na nangyari sa lahat po ay may papeles tungkol po sa administrative.
Well, it was really kidnapping. You see the comments all around the world from experts. Yes. But if you yes, but if you talk to lawyers, they call it extraordinary rendition. But for a family member like me, that's kidnapping. That's forcibly taking my father to another country and illegally arresting him. So that's clearly kidnapping.
Ma'am, mag-apply po ba si PRRD ng spirit relief?
That is something that I cannot comment on because it's a legal strategy. So I would leave that to the lawyers if the lawyers would like to talk to the media. But I will not comment on legal strategy. I'll also add that because I told him a lot of people are crying. They are depressed, hurt, stressed about what happened and what is happening right now and what is happening in the country. And then he said, sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ang lahat. So remembering this from kasi I cannot take notes, I cannot take a ballpen and pen this. So, sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ng lahat, there will be a day of reckoning for all.
Mahal po ang Duterte family ng mga OFW at mga Pilipino sa bansang Pilipinas. Ngayon, grabe po yung emosyon ng mga Pilipino dahil mahal po nila si PRRD at kayo po. So, may mensahe po ba kayo para sa lahat ng mga Pilipino?
Yes. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan. Mag-English pa ako, sir? Yes. Okay. Kasi, Okay. Sige. Gadget lang, ha? Gadget lang. Start with, first off, I'd like to thank all our countrymen for your prayers and your profound support to the former presidents. We can feel your love. We can feel your anger. We can empathize with everyone. Everyone's rage about what happened. And let us not be let us not forget the real issues in our country, and that is the poverty, that is corruption, that is the failure of the government to answer the demands from the people about accountability and transparency. The failure of the government to address peace and security in our country. Okay, so because I wanted to give it airtime. I wanted to give the flowers airtime because I don't know who gave this, but the people who gave this made efforts to go to a flower shop and buy flowers. So I wanted to give it airtime just to say thank you to those who took time to buy flowers. They know I love flowers, so that's it.
Address that. Now, you will now address the Filipino community here after this video.
Pasalamat ako sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagpapakita ng suporta dito, at sa ating mga kababayan na salamat ako sa pagpapakita nila na galit. At sa nangyari kay President Duterte, sa nangyayari sa ating bayan, napakahalaga yung pagpapasalamat ko sa mga dasal ninyo. Madami ang nagdadasal at malaking tulong yon ang dasal dahil nagbibigay yon ng lakas ng loob sa lahat ng nagdadaanan ngayon ni President Duterte. Pangalawa, madami sa inyo ang hindi nagtrabaho ngayon. Galing ng Belgium. Meron kang galing Amerika. At kanina, meron akong nakausap na maliit na grupo dito, kaninang umaga. Sabi ko sa kanila, napakahalaga ng inyong mga trabaho, kaya huwag niyo kumayaan.
Euro is nothing without our ex-president!
Yes, dahil alam ko, breadwinners kayo lahat. Hindi nyo gusto magkasapalaran sa ibang bansa na iwan ang pamilya ninyo doon sa ating bayan. Pero napakahalaga yung trabaho ninyo at yung pag-alaga ninyo sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay na nasa Pilipinas. Alalahanin natin napakahalaga yung edukasyon nila. Kailangan natin sa ulit-ulit na sabihin sa kanila na yun ang magpapababa sa buhay nila, ang edukasyon nila. So, maraming salamat dahil it is heartwarming na kahit